Today's video is sponsored by Pique. More on them later. Join me for some lovely spring living at home. I'm sharing my regular workout, an easy family-friendly recipe, a new spring outfit, and decorating for the season. Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. It's a bright sunny morning and Southern California is on a temporary break between storms. I'm going to jump on the rebounder outside. Rebounding is my favorite form of exercise. I've been doing it consistently in the mornings for the past several months. I had a knee injury a few years ago that kept me off the rebounder, but now that I'm back, I couldn't be happier. I've read that 10 minutes is the best amount of time to jump on the rebounder, so that's what I do. The benefits of rebounding are numerous. According to Healthline, rebounding may help your body flush out toxins, bacteria, dead cells, and other waste products. It may help improve balance, coordination, and overall motor skills. It also supports bone density, bone strength, and bone formation. I just know that I feel invigorated and on top of the world after I jump on the rebounder. I usually listen to a motivational book while jumping, and it sets me up successfully for the day. I'll jump inside or outside, but my favorite is jumping outside in the fresh air. I also like to jump in tighter workout clothes, as baggy ones tend to get in the way. You know I'm not the biggest exercise person, but this, if anything, is my perfect exercise. Let me show you what I'm wearing. This is the Core long sleeve sports top and support high waist leggings in chocolate plum from Nay, the company that does the Barely Zero bra. All their garments are so impressive to me. They're very high quality, and I love these workout clothes. Now for an easy and fresh spring breakfast. I'm preparing this large papaya to eat throughout the week. I love papaya. Do you? We ate papaya a lot as kids because that was one of my mother's favorite fruits she had growing up in Panama. I peel the fruit and take the seeds out and chop it up. For breakfast, I'm enjoying it on cottage cheese with a sprinkling of pumpkin seeds. It's so sweet, creamy, and delicious. And the pumpkin seeds add a nice crunch. Now let's do some spring decorating. We have this large shabby chic sofa in our piano room. I usually have these 2 giant faux fur pillows and the Union Jack pillow on it, but I wanted to liven it up for spring, as the faux fur feels very wintry to me. I immediately thought of John Robshaw because I have several of his table linens that are so bright and beautiful, but I know that he's famous for his amazing block print pillow covers too. So I sent a picture of my sofa to John Robshaw and his team. John himself suggested the Lucy Coral pillows and the hand-stitched Lotus Kidney pillow for my sofa. I'm switching out the pillows today after taking care of some of the wear and tear on the sofa. I love how these pillows add vibrancy and infuse a feeling of spring with their fresh presence. We have a gallery wall of colorful paintings in this room, and the cheerful red of the tulip picks up beautifully on the feeling of art and vibrancy that I want to portray. I'll leave John Robshaw and his amazing shop linked down below. I'm going to tell you about Pique, who have kindly sponsored today's video. You know I love Pique's teas and I'm always drinking them. Today I'm going to share their Radiant Skin Duo with you, which includes their famous Sun Goddess Matcha and the BT Fountain. Adding this duo to your daily routine will firm, brighten, reduce fine lines, and deeply hydrate the skin from within. The Sun Goddess Matcha contains antioxidants and chlorophyll that detoxifies the skin from within, and the BT Fountain hydrates, improves elasticity, and reduces fine lines with its clinically proven ceramides and hyaluronic acid. They are, of course, made from the highest quality. The Sun Goddess Matcha is quadruple toxin screened for purity, and the BT Fountain is formulated with the highest quality and most bioavailable ingredients. There's no sugar, preservatives, or artificial ingredients, and my favorite part is there's zero prep. I love matcha and often include it as my drink of choice in tea time. Sometimes I'll make a matcha latte, and the BT Fountain is so tasty. I will often have this with my lunch. It feels like you're tasting a delicious drink, but you know it's so good for you. For a limited time, you'll get 15% off plus free shipping for life on Pique's Radiant Skin Duo when you shop with my link. Plus, you'll also get a complimentary starter kit, beaker plus frother, when you start your new ritual. In my recent 10-item wardrobe videos, I've shared what I'm bringing back from last season, but I do have a few new pieces coming in, and I'm sharing one of them with you right now. This is the Aran Floral Washable Silk Shirt Dress from Sky, one of my favorite brands. It has a subtly beautiful floral pattern of purple and white flowers on a mossy background. This dress is mulberry silk and flows so beautifully. I'm wearing this with the Sky Abalone Pearl Drop earrings, the Miranda Fry Charlie gold cuff bracelet, and this blue Teddy Blake handbag, which brings out vibrancy in this outfit. I joked in my YouTube shorts that this is my modern take on old ladies sleuthing in the English countryside, my alter ego. There's nothing like putting on a beautiful spring dress after a long, cold winter. And now I'd like to share an easy recipe that everyone in your family will love, especially your kids. Mini tostadas. In my cast iron skillet on medium heat, I fry a batch of corn tortillas in some olive oil until they are crispy on both sides. I then sprinkle them with salt for flavor. Now I'm making an easy guacamole by smashing 1 avocado, squeezing half a lime on top, and adding salt and pepper. On top of my tortilla, I spread some hot refried beans, sprinkle some hot cooked shredded chicken on top, and then I top it with olives, Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese, cilantro and chopped onion, and finally, the guacamole. These little tostadas are so tasty. 1 or 2 do the trick for a satisfying lunch. To make this quick and easy, you can make your hot shredded chicken the day before or use a rotisserie chicken. I hope that your family will enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it gave you energy and inspiration to enjoy spring to the fullest at home. Thank you to Pique for sponsoring. For a limited time, you'll get 15% off plus free shipping for life on Pique's Radiant Skin Duo when you shop with my link. Plus, you'll also get a complimentary starter kit, Beaker plus Frother, when you start your new ritual. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.